Fractions. Let me start with a story. A boy named Chintu. He invited his friends for the birthday party, which is on the next day. So he arranged the birthday party, and his friends came. They enjoyed a lot in the birthday party. After the birthday party, he wants to give a treat, pizza treat. So he is thinking, one pizza and have 6 friends. He arranged the 6 plates and divided the pizza into 6 equal parts. Now his friends came. He shared one piece for everyone. They ate and they enjoyed a lot. They were very happy. One pizza, that is one whole pizza, and divided that pizza into 6 equal pieces, and each one ate one piece of pizza. So what is the fraction of one pizza in the whole pizza? We can write it as 1 by 6. And how much they ate? 1 by 6th part of the pizza eaten by each person. So we can write as 1/6. So each equal part is 1/6 of the whole pizza, and 6 parts together will be 6 by 6 or one whole pizza. So what is fraction? Fraction is a number representing part of a whole. One piece of pizza written as 1 by 6, read as 1 by 6 or 1 upon 6 or 1/6. And 1 is called numerator and represents number of equal parts which have taken. We take only one piece of pizza, so 1. And 6 is called denominator and represents total number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. Whole pizza is divided into 6 equal parts, so denominator is 6. If we take 2 pieces of pizza, then we can write as 2 by 6. Here we divide a whole pizza into 6 equal parts and take 2 parts out of it. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Now take an example and we have to write into a fraction. So first we should write the total number of parts into which this rectangle is divided. How many total number of parts? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal parts. So denominator is 12. And what is the shaded portion? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is our numerator. Try this question. And the answer is total number of parts is 8 and we shaded 6 parts. So 6 by 8 is our answer. Color the part according to the given fraction. The given a triangle which is divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts and given fraction is 3 by 4. Denominator is total number of equal parts divided. How many parts we should shade now? We should shade 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. We can shade any 3 out of 4. So this is our answer. And try this. Given fraction is 5 by 10 and the given rectangle is divided into 10 equal parts. How many parts we should shade now? 5 parts. Numerator is 5, so we should shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can shade any 5 parts. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. What is the answer? 1 by 4. It is wrong. Actually, the parts are 4 but not equally divided. So, parts should be equal. Note. Parts should be equal. You should divide this whole into equal parts. What fraction of a day is 7 hours? Now, fraction is nothing but numerator and denominator. Denominator, total number of parts. So, a day is divided into how many total number of hours? So the total number of hours in a day is equals to 24, and the 24 is our denominator. Now how many hours we are taking in a day? Numerator, that is 7. So what is fraction? 7 by 24. Next, types of fractions. There are 3 types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. 1 by 6, 5 by 10, 2 by 6. All these are fractions which we have discussed in the previous section of this video. And if you observe these fractions, numerator is less than denominator, and these are proper fractions. What is a proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Now, improper fractions. To explain this, let me tell a small story. 2 friends, Chintu and Bunty, went to a garden. They saw 3 apples. Bunty got an idea. First, they took 1 apple each. There is 1 more apple left. They cut the apple into 2 equal pieces, and each piece is shared among themselves. 3 apples shared by Chintu and Bunty, and each got 1 full and half, and further they divided that full into 2 halves. Total 3 halves. Each one got 3 halves, and we can write that 3 half as 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 numerator is greater than denominator, which is improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed fraction. Now take an improper fraction. We can write this improper fraction in another way by dividing 3 with 2. 3 as a dividend and 2 as a divisor. Now 2 ones are 2, subtraction, 3 minus 2 will be 1, and we can represent this as 1 by 2. That is quotient, remainder divided by divisor. Next, representing fraction on number line. Now draw a line, 0 and 1. Now it is our number line. I want to represent 1 by 2 on this number line. So 1 by 2 divide into 2 equal parts, and each part is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So the middle point is 1 by 2. Now I want to represent 1 by 3 on a number line. Draw a line and 0 and 1. Now I want to divide this into 3 equal parts, and this is 3 equal parts. Each part is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and the 2 points are 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. Next, representing 5 by 6 fraction on number line. Draw a line and 0, 1. Now I want to divide this line into 6 equal parts, as denominator is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and 6 by 6, which equal to 1. Now circle 5 by 6. It is our answer, representing 5 by 6 on number line. Thank you.